Who streets to these? Who streets to these? Community, as we commemorate Gun Violence Awareness Month, we take a 2.5-mile journey today for peace. We walk for peace in our streets. Put Jacoby Hospital, stand up to violence. We're grateful today as we continue our 10th year of our annual PeaceWalk. We're grateful that we're able to walk today. The leading cause of death in America from ages 1 to 19 is gun violence. And so today we walk against that spirit of gun violence.
Every year that we walk from here, Astor and Wallace, all the way to White Plains Road and to 29th Street. And we march for Gun Violence Awareness Month because gun violence is one of the leading causes of death in children. In African American children, it's been the leading cause in African American children for years. Just this year, we've had a few shootings in our target area. Last summer, we had a mass shooting not too far from here that we're going to stop at. So it is important that we mobilize the community to let everybody know that we're better together, we're coming together, we're standing up against violence.
And these are the moments where we can stand together and show everyone that we're here for one message and one message only, and that's one shot fired is one shot too many in our communities and in New York City.
And this march started 12 years ago, back in 2014, as a means of trying to showcase to the community a message of unity and peace, and to try to start off the summer in a peaceful manner, and to just showcase to people that people can march up and down neighborhoods here in the Bronx in peace, and we can have decreased people come to our hospitals being victimized from violent crime.
And that we must stop the gun violence. So today we're having this march for three reasons. Number one, we're remembering those that have been lost to gun violence. Number two, we also want to honor the victims of gun violence. And then number three, we want to be able to let the community know that we must put an end to gun violence. And it's going to take all of us on a collaborative effort to make that happen.
We're here at our annual SUV march, and we just want to say guns down, lives up. It's very important to support our community to ensure we take violence off our streets.
This march is important in making awareness of all the gun violence that goes on and trying to reduce and keep the peace and save lives.
We're burying too many of our children. We're burying too many innocent bystanders. And we're sending too many of our community members to jail and prison because they're making the wrong decisions by picking up a gun.